Did you know that asparagus offer numerous health benefits? In this video by The Daily Eco, we will explore its properties, different ways to enjoy it, and important considerations regarding its consumption. Properties of asparagus. Green and white asparagus belong to the same species, but their nutritional content and properties differ slightly. Green asparagus exposed to sunlight contains more nutrients, minerals, and vitamins compared to white asparagus. This higher nutrient content also enhances its antioxidant properties. In addition to these differences between green and white asparagus, both types share several basic properties. Asparagus is known to help with removing excess water from the body, cleansing toxins, and providing antioxidants for health. It's also rich in fiber, mostly water, and low in calories. Asparagus contains aspartic acid, is low in fat, and is packed with vitamins C, B1, B6, and folate. It's also a good source of minerals like potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium. Benefits of asparagus. Asparagus has been valued since ancient times, with Egyptians using it in syrups and remedies for stomach issues. Today, consuming asparagus provides numerous health benefits. Firstly, it aids in relieving constipation and supports weight loss due to its low calorie and high fiber content. It also contributes to heart health, helps manage hypertension, treats hemorrhoids, and supports colon health. Asparagus boosts the immune system, reducing the risk of colds, flu, and viral infections. It's effective in preventing fluid retention, lowering cholesterol levels, and reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Asparagus is beneficial during pregnancy, supporting maternal health and fetal development. Additionally, asparagus helps combat insomnia and depression, promotes strong bones through vitamin K, and alleviates fatigue and stress. But before we continue, let's put you to a test. What percentage of water does asparagus contain? 70%, 80%, 90%. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to eat asparagus. Asparagus offers countless ways to enjoy its versatility, whether raw, steamed, boiled, roasted, preserved in soups, stews, salads, and as a main dish. It's important to note that white asparagus has a milder flavor, while green asparagus tends to be slightly bitter. Regardless of how you prepare it, there are essential steps to follow. Begin by selecting fresh asparagus to maximize its nutrients and properties. Trim the tough basal end by bending each spears. It would naturally break where it becomes tender. While the trimmed ends may be unusable, they can enrich broth with flavor and nutrients. Next, peel the spears by removing thin slices along their length. Finally, wash them thoroughly before incorporating them into your recipes. This ensures you enjoy the full benefits of this nutritious vegetable. Contraindications. Asparagus is generally safe to eat, but avoid it if you have irritable bowel syndrome, an allergy to asparagus, advanced kidney failure, or kidney issues because of its high potassium content. Eating a lot of asparagus at once can cause temporary effects like increased urination, too much carotene in the blood, and a strong smell in the urine due to a substance called asparagusic acid turning into methanethyl after digestion. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is C. Asparagus is made up of about 90% water. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to write any questions or suggestions in the comment section below, and see you next time.